welcome back to my channel. I am Tamajit Chakraborty and now we're watching Infotime Micro. So today I will make the Thor from Avengers Endgame. So how it make, let's see. Can you guess what am I make today to see this? Yes, your guess is right. Today I will make the Thor from Avengers Endgame. To make the Thor, I have cut this type of pieces. And already made this type of two hands. See it carefully. Friends, now I set the both hands. Like this. Friends, the hands are fixed. Now I fixed its back part. Friends, I have fixed the back part and also covered the gaps. Now I fixed its leg. Friends, I have already made this type of a leg. And how I make this leg, let's see. Friends, to make the leg, I have taken this type of two rolls. And this design. This is the foot and this is the knee. Now I joined the all. My leg is ready, friends. Now it's time for join this. And now it's time for set the very vital part. Its head. Friends, this head is fully made by paper and its breed also made by paper. Now I joined it. Like this, friends. Friends, my action figure is fully ready. No, I think there is something is missing. I think Thor have a big belly. Oh yes, this is the Thor's belly. Now I joined it in this position. Belly is joined. Now I decorate its suits. To decorate the suit, I have already made this type of a thing. Now I paste it like this. Friends, its suit is fully decorated and now I fixed its back cloth. Thor is fully painted. Now it's ready for play.